Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So for today's video, come and join us as we are going to visit the Starved Rock State Park located in Illinois.
Hey guys, we just arrived here in Starved Rock here in Oglesby, Illinois. We're gonna do some hiking, going on some trails, and just enjoying the beautiful nature. It's very warm today, 70s, so we're just gonna enjoy this afternoon with the kids.
Starved Rock State Park is a trek from downtown Chicago, but one that's worth making. It's the second state park in Illinois designated in 1911. The name is derived from a Native American legend.
Peanuts?
Yeah, you like the peanuts? Wow.
Do you have a map coming in? Okay. Do you like this trail, Thunder? So right now we are walking uphill to see the Starved Rock. I believe there's a canyons as well. It's very windy, but it really helps with the warmth. So really enjoying the day today. Careful, Babu.
You got it.
It's really nice because we're getting our steps in, enjoying nature, as well as getting some fresh air. And you know, it's just such a beautiful and gorgeous day.
Starved Rock is home to 18 canyons and 13 miles of trails. Most of the trails will lead down into the canyons, where you can be surrounded by towering sandstone walls. Many of these paths will lead to very impressive waterfalls. French Canyon is the most easily accessible of those, which is closer from the visitor center, but many of them are within 1.5 miles. Alternatively, there are trails just as close by that will take you to the top of the canyons, overlooking the Illinois River. They got tired of walking. Thunder is crying. They got hungry, so they're taking a break. Is it good, Clementine?
Yeah. It's like candied peanuts.
Let me try some.
Very good.
Oh, Costco has this one.
You need to buy it in Costco. It's so good. The caramelized peanuts or almonds or something. Very good. Hey guys, we just took a short break and now continuing onto our trails to find the waterfalls. We're gonna go down the trail now. So guys, in order for us
French Canyon
to find the waterfalls, we had to find the French Canyon Trail, but we were walking in all sorts of trails, so we're quite exhausted, but I think we finally found it. Good job.
Good job,
guys.
Clementine. Are you having fun?
Yeah, I don't dare.
Wow. Good job, Thunder.
Good job, guys.
No, I'm here.
I know, here, Masi.
You're the animals.
Yeah, we're gonna find it. Smells like dog. Careful. Smells different here.
Mama, why are you telling me?
She will not walk.
She just want to be carried.
She's scared. Oh my God. You see like little water?
Careful.
Ooh.
So what can you say?
It was worth the hike.
Is it worth the hike?
Yeah,
the
very-
hike?
It was very nature-esque. How do you climb the rock wall? Oh, beautiful! You're skating. Do you like the waterfall? Yeah.
Right here. Right there, I think this one's fine.
The water is low right now. Who wants to go first?
There's a dead thing. Dead animal.
Where? Oh my God. Let's go. I'm not cold.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be going back now to parking area. We're not gonna finish the whole trail because it's getting nighttime too.
I'm waiting. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, just step on the thing.
Okay, go down.
Alright, let's go.
Get down.
Just be slowly. Slowly, let me do it. We're gonna be heading now to the gift shop, back to their welcome center, and that's where we parked also this morning.
So overall, we really enjoyed our hike. The weather was just beautiful. It wasn't too hot, but it was pretty warm. But it was just really a wonderful experience with the family. And we definitely come back to Star Rock again. And then, yeah, hike some more. And then super excited to hike some more trails in the future as well.
Go press it under, press it. Right here. To the right side, yeah.
Good job.
Oh, it's all open already. Here, Mosi. Wow, look. Look at the, here. Look at the animal.
What is it, a moose? What is it?
This is
It's like a moose.
no, remember in South Dakota?
Bison.
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 Clementine, look.
Look at all the animals.
Wow.
Wow. This is called taxidermy, I think.
Oh, gray fox. So these are the wildlife in
Wow.
there. These are the wildlife there. Oh, they have a bobcat, Mosi.
They have bobcat?
There's a bobcat.
That's cute.
Look at
In addition to the very busy visitor center, there is also a lodge that was built by the Civilian Conservation Corps in the 1930s. It is still in use as a hotel, with both standard rooms and cabins available.
Wow. It's a, looks like, what is it? A raccoon. Yeah, but
Mama, just funny.
wow.
Hey, this one.
You want me to play? Okay. Pretty.
This one.
Okay. Very pretty. Fill a bag of rocks. They glow in the dark, Clementine.
Say bye-bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Come to Star Rock. We had such a blast.
Bye.